Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, we're going to go over crossing drawbacks. So these are really fun to do and fun to throw in just to change up drawbacks, because if you've been doing drawbacks for a while now, they're the same thing over and over. So it's fun to throw a variation in there. So this is also fun to have your students pick a number, and I'll go over that in just a minute. So drawbacks, if you don't know them yet, go ahead and find my video going over drawbacks in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist down below. So we're going to go forward with that. So my favorite way to cross drawbacks are on 3 and 6. So the third count and the sixth count. So we're going to count in 8s, obviously, because we are dancing. So for 1 and 2, drawbacks 1 and 2, you're just going to go straight back. You're going to go 1 and 2. From here, on 3, you're going to cross over. So you're going to go step over, and you don't want to go too far out because then you're not going to be able to get your sounds that you need to on this foot here. So you want to go just barely over your other foot, right over left. From here, you're going to put your weight into your right toes as you pick up your left toes and do a spank. Okay, so you're crossing over with a step. Spank is going to unwind, and then the heel is just going to drop at the end. Okay, so you kind of get stuck in this situation here where you're stepping over, and then as you put your weight into that toe, you're going to pick up your toes on this foot over here and do your spank. Okay, so 1 and 2 go straight back. 3 is going to cross over, unwind. 4 and 5 go straight back. 6, you're going to cross over here. This is just the opposite of what we did on 3. So step, spank, heel, and then 7, 8 go straight back. And then you would start it all again from 1. So let's try it again. You have 1 and 2, cross 3, 4, 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. And I ran out of board, that's why I didn't get a good spank on 6. So I'm going to show you actually going straight back here so you can see a different view of it. So here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, cross 3, 4, 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so the main component of it is crossing. You're going to do the step. That's the cross. The spank is going to be the uncross, and then the heel is just to stabilize. Okay, so when I said that you can let your students choose a number, or even you can choose random numbers, go onto Google and say random number generator, and it'll give you random numbers. I think you can put between like 1 and 8. So say you wanted to cross on 2, 4, and I don't know, 6, or 2, 4, 6, and 8, all the evens. You would go straight back on 1, over on 2, back 3, over 4. I didn't leave myself enough space, but then you would keep going back on 5, then 6, 7, and 8. You would be crossing all the same direction because it's all evens. If you were to do 2 numbers in a row, like 4 and 5, you would go back for 1, 2, 3. Here's 4. You're going to go over for 4, 4, swing it all the way around over for 5, and then 6, 7, 8 go straight back. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole of crossing drawbacks, and you can really play around with whatever numbers you feel like using. If you were, I just want to go over one more quick thing here. If you were to use a cross on 1, then instead of just going straight back on 1, you're going to go ahead and go straight into a cross on 1. So it would go 1, then back 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. That's the one different one. All right, so if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion, please leave it down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new songs. for my choreography tutorials. And if you have a step that you would like me to break down or go over, let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to get to that as soon as possible. All right, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video.